Hello, Sultana.
Mm.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Happy New Year. We didn't
Uh,
actually meet since last year.
Yeah,
Is that our first lesson in 2025?
yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. So how are you feeling? Better or still not feeling well?
No, I feel way better than last time.
Okay. All right. Sultana, we'll continue. If you have questions in Khan Academy, you can have a look. Okay, later. But right now, we will focus again on equations, equations, equations. All right. Before I continue, we're going to do some warm-up questions with you, okay? And after that, we will continue with equations.
Um, hey,
Now let's do these two questions we didn't do here, 2019 and 20. All right. With question 19, let's do it
write
together.
the
Mhm.
write the perimeter of the rectangle as a simplified expression.
Okay. Can you tell me the rectangle, the perimeter of rectangle? What is the rectangle perimeter formula?
X minus
It is
3.
2 times L plus 2 times width, right? Because perimeter means that the length of the boundary, right? And
Yeah,
top and bottom the same length. That's why we have two lengths. And
yeah.
width the same, this two width, right?
Oh, yeah.
Right? And now I'm going to plug it here. 2 times, what is length?
Length 2.
7x plus 1. You see?
Oh,
It's length, right? 7x plus 1. Plus 2 times, what is width?
X minus 3.
It is x minus 3. And now using distributive property, distribute this. 2
Um,
times 7x plus 1 equals
um,
14x. Come on. 2 times 7 is 14x plus 2 times 1 is 2, right?
yeah.
Plus, next,
X minus 3.
2 times x minus 3 equals 2 times x, right?
X
2x
2x
minus
minus 3.
6.
Oh, because 2 times 3.
Yeah, we distribute, right? Distributing to every term. And now simplify this. Come on, Sultan, and wake up. What is 14x plus 2x?
14x plus 2x equals,
16x.
oh yeah,
What is 2 minus 6?
negative, negative 2.
4.
Oh, yeah.
Drink some tea, Sultan. I think still you're sleeping. 16x minus 4. Okay, I will ask the next question. Okay, let's finish 20 now. Read question 20.
Write the perimeter of the triangle as simplified expression.
Okay, perimeter means here for triangle, we need to add all sides, right? Because it's length of the boundary. It has three sides, so we have to add all of them. So I start from here. The first one is y minus 4 plus second one is 3y plus 5 plus the third side is 6y, right?
Mm.
And next one is we need to simplify. Can you simplify this? First, y terms. What is y plus 3y plus 6y?
Y plus 3y. 9y?
10y. Because y plus 3y is 4y, right? And
Oh,
4y plus 6y is 10y.
yeah.
And what is negative 4 plus 5?
Um, ne 10, negative
Negative 4
10.
plus 5?
Oh, negative 1.
Just one.
Oh, it's not negative?
Yeah, you have $5 and you spend $4. So you have still $1, right?
Oh,
That is
yeah.
plus 1. Come on, Sultana, what happened to you? Maybe, in 1 week. All right, I just warm up. I think just woke up, no problem, I think. Okay, now let's continue. Read this
Um,
to simplify.
11y
Yeah, first, can you read distribute and combine? What is it? The
distribute.
expression, the rule. To
Sim-
simplify an expression.
To simplify an expression means to ensure there are no parentheses and no like terms. In order to do this, distribute first if needed, then combine like terms.
So that's the definition of simplifying an expression, Sultana. You see, what does it mean? It means that to make sure that there are no parentheses and no like terms. So what does it mean? When I say simplify, we mean that you should open all parentheses and simplify like terms. Okay?
Um,
In order to do this, distribute first if needed, then combine like terms. Okay, first we have parentheses, open it, then simplify. Okay, now
yeah.
you have done a lot of questions, but now we are working on speed. Okay, try to solve, calculate a bit faster. All right, 19. What do we do here?
We first we do 8 times 2x.
Quickly, tell me, what should I write
Uh,
here? 8 times 2x, 16x. First, we have to distribute, right?
yeah,
16x minus 8 times 3 is
minus
4, right? Do it like this. This is the first step. Now I open parentheses. Next step, combine like terms. 16x minus 6x. That is 10x and minus 24. That's it. Do we have any like terms? No. Do we have any parentheses? No. That means that this expression is in the simplest form.
yeah.
Okay. 20. Do it like this, okay?
Okay, 9 times 2, 18k
Hmm.
minus 4.
No, no, no. Why are we making the same mistake again and again? We should multiply by each. But this is
18.
not possible to forget, Sultan. It's a very simple idea.
Oh,
You
wait.
should distribute. Why do we
18k.
call this distribute? You're distributing this 9 to each term in the parentheses. That's why it's called distribution property.
So,
So 9 times 4 is 36, right?
yeah,
Once again, I'm going to write here a times, let's say this x plus y is equal to ax plus ay. Multiply a by x, a by y.
yeah,
So here we have negative 2, right? Negative 2 times 7k, that is negative 14k. Negative 2 times negative 12, that is positive 24, right?
yeah.
And now, do we have like terms here?
No.
Yes. How about 18k, 14k? Are they like terms? Yes. And 36 and 24, they are numbers. They're also like terms, constants. So now we combine them. 18k minus 14k, that is 4k. Negative 36 plus 24 is negative 12. If you do like this, I have to reteach everything again, Sultana. You should not memorize. It's a very simple logic. We learn a lot. Now still you're behaving like you have never seen this before. Okay? All
Mm.
right. Do 21. What do we do here? 21.
10 minus
Huh?
10 minus
Uh-huh.
negative 6? No, wait.
First open parenthesis, Sultana.
Oh, 10 minus y
10 minus y.
minus 6
Minus is plus 6.
plus 6, and then
Still we have minus y here, right?
minus y. Yeah.
Now simplify. What is minus y minus y?
Well, y?
What is minus y minus y?
Y?
Really?
-1.
What happened to you? Now I understand why your father was telling me that you couldn't answer very easy questions. Did you memorize everything or you forgot so quickly?
I forgot.
How come you forgot, Sultana? Just last week we learned, right? Anyway, Sultana, this negative y minus y means that, Sultana, the coefficients are -1 and -1, right? And -1 minus 1 is -2, right? So that's why it is -2y. So negative y minus y is -2y. What is 10 plus 6?
16.
So plus 16. That's it.
Oh,
And
okay.
now in 22, first, do we have parentheses here?
Yeah,
Yes. First, we have to open all parentheses, okay? So
yeah.
6, I have 6 here, plus in front of this parenthesis, I have 8. So that means that I need to multiply each term in the parentheses by 8. What is 8 times 4w?
Um, so it's gonna 32W?
32w. And what is 8 times -7?
-56.
-56. Continue. Come on. Next. Open the next parenthesis.
-8
What?
and -2W
Negative 2w.
plus 1 and
Y
then
plus 1 minus plus 1
minus
minus 1, right?
-1. Yeah.
Okay. Now simplify.
Okay, so 6 plus
First letters. First letters. What is 32w minus 2w?
minus 2W, 30W,
It is 30w.
and then
And now simplify the numbers. What is 6 minus 56?
uh
What is 6?
-50.
-50. Now, what is -50 minus 1?
Mm, just -51.
-51. That's it. So we have simplified.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Sultan, write question 23 in your notebook and try to do this in your notebook. First, write 23. Done?
Yeah, almost. Wait, I don't get it. I did 9/4 times 10/3. And
Okay. What is this? Did you simplify it?
yeah,
It's like 9/4 times 10/3, right? And 9 over 3, that's equal to 3. And 10 and 4, both numbers are divisible by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So here we have 15 over 2, right?
Yeah.
Is it right, 15 over 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have 15 over 2x minus. And how about what is 9 over 4 times 4? Hmm?
Mm, 9
It,
over
it is
4.
9, Sultana. It's 9.
I did.
What's wrong with you?
Mm,
Man, I told your father that Sultana is learning really well. We are going really fast, but now you forget everything. But can't you feel that a times 1 over a, that's equal to 1, right?
Yeah.
So a times b over a is at the top, a is at the bottom, that's equal to b, right? So you should be able to see this really fast. 4 cancels each other, that's equal to 9. Still you are thinking. It is 9. Minus, what is 1 over 4 times 2x?
4 times 2x. It's uh uh
Just 1 over 2x.
yeah,
And what is negative 1 over 4 times negative 8?
1 over what's negative.
Positive. Negative, negative is positive. 1/4 of 8 is just 2.
Wait, could you explain me that?
What is 1/4 of 8?
2.
So
Um, I thought I meant something else.
these things you don't have to memorize. You should understand, Sultana. This is a very, even in everyday life situation, we use a lot, right? 1/4 of $8, 1/4 of $100, 1/4 of $8. So now I'm gonna subtract 15 over 2 minus 1 over 2, right? Denominators are the same. So that's equal to 15 minus 1 is 15 minus 1 over 2x. Negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. And now 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So that is 7x minus 7. Okay. Now
Yeah.
to 24, Sultana. Come on. Maybe I think you're in the mood of holiday. That's why. 24.
Mm. So,
What is your
can,
final answer?
huh?
What is your final answer?
Um,
What is your final answer, Sultana?
um,
Look, the first one, 7 over 8 times 4 over 5. So if you
7
multiply
over
this,
10.
huh?
It's 7 over 10.
Very good. 7 over 10 x, right?
Yeah.
Plus 7 over 8 times 16.
1.
16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's done with this. Now 3 times 1, I can simplify. It is 3 over 10x
Yeah.
minus, what is 3 over 5 times 10?
Um, uh, it's gonna be uh 53 over 5.
What? 53? Why 53? What is 3 over 5 times 10? 3 over 5 times 10.
Oh, I did 6.
So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. You should be able to recognize this. How come you're confused? Huh? We are multiplying. Did you study how to multiply rational numbers? One chapter. Interesting. Sultana, look, you're scaring me now. Okay, let's continue. Now, 7 over 10 plus 3 over 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 divided by 10 is just 1, is x. 14 minus 6 is just 8. Okay, come on. If you do like this, you cannot learn, Sultana. You just learn, forget everything. You should understand the logic. The basic numbers from elementary school, right? Integers. As I told you, when we were learning integers, if you feel like this, I will reteach everything again. Okay. All right. Now let's practice this. And what is the date today? 5th of January. Distributive property. Okay, try to be fast because you're not learning for the first time. It's a third, I don't know how many classes we spent on this. Okay, distributive property. What is that, Sultana? That is, again, we're just practicing this. A times B plus C is equal to multiply A by B and multiply A by C. Distributive property. Okay, simplify each expression by distributing. Read and tell me the answer. Okay, come on, let's do it.
8 times x, so 8x.
Faster, faster.
8x plus 5. So it's gonna be 8 times 5.
Just tell me 8 times 5 equals 4. You should say that.
40,
Do it
40
like this, Sultana. Look, 8
plus
times x plus 5 equals 8x plus 40. That's it. 2.
negative
First read this. 3 times 2y minus 7 equals.
equals
First read it. 3
negative.
times 2y minus 7.
Okay, 3 times 2 minus y
2y minus 7.
minus 7 equals 3 times 2 is
Just do it. You don't have to say it. Just do it. 3
6y
times 2y minus 7 equals 6y
6y
minus.
6y minus 6 uh 6 times, so then 42.
So you forgot everything, Sultana.
That's how you do 6y times 7.
Why 6y? Here we have 3. 3 times 2y, 6y. 3 times 7 is 21.
Um,
You really forgot everything? Okay, continue. 3.
negative negative 2 times 3m plus 9. So negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6. So then negative 6m plus 9 plus negative 2 times 9, and then it's gonna be negative 18.
Can you just tell without adding any expression like negative 6 times z minus 1 equals negative 6z plus 6? At the beginning, you have to say like that, okay, negative 2 times 3m, negative 6m, negative 2 times 9 is negative 18, so negative 6m minus, okay, we practiced at the beginning, but now, you have the knowledge, you have experience, right? Now we are going to work on the speed, just multiply and tell me the answer. It's okay. 5.
Negative 5x plus 1. So negative 5x
Negative 5x
times 1.
times minus 1. Because negative means that Sultana again is negative 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1.
Oh, okay.
6.
Negative x
Faster, faster, faster.
negative x plus negative 4
Say again.
plus negative 4.
What do you mean plus negative 4? Just negative x minus 4. Just say negative x minus 4.
Oh, okay.
7.
B times A minus B A
AB. We say AB in alphabetical order.
AB and then B6 minus
Minus 6B. Next.
7A times 3B. So then 21 AB.
AB.
And then minus 2C.
What is 7A? Can't you see that 7A times 2C is 14AC? Sultana, we just very simple logic. A times B plus C multiply A by B, A by C. Right?
Yeah.
Is something wrong with you? Or you couldn't sleep well last night?
No, not really.
What happened? Or maybe are you still in the mood of holiday? That's why you don't want to do anything? It's really, I'm shocked now. We actually did a lot of questions. You were doing everything well, correctly, but now even simple questions we cannot do. So we are multiplying. You see, we have 7a outside the parentheses. So we are distributing 7a over 3b, 7a over 2c, 7a over 4. 7a times 3b, 21. 7 times 3, 21. A times b is ab. 7a times 2c, 7 times 2, 14. A times c is ac. 7a times 4, 4 times 7 is 28, just a.
Oh,
And now question 9, 1/2, right? Times 8x plus 2. What is 1/2 of 8x? That is 4x. Plus, what is 1/2 of 2? It is just 1.
yeah.
And how about question 10, 2/3 times 1 over 4? 2 times 1, it is 2. 3 times 4, it is 12. So here we have x minus 2 times 6, it is 12 over just 3. Now I can simplify this to 12. Both numbers are divisible by 2. 1 over 6, x minus 12 divided by 3, that is 4.
Wait, could you explain the part where you did
Huh?
2 times. Could you explain the part where you did 2 times 6 equals 12 and then that part?
How do you multiply this? 2 over 3 by 6. So the 6 means that it is 6 divided by 1, right?
Yeah.
2 times 6, 12. 3 times 1, it is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, right?
Yeah.
We learned this in grade 5, 6, and also last time I taught you how to multiply rational numbers, right? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. This 6 means 6 divided by 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to practice this. First, you write in a notebook, do it, then we'll discuss, okay? Directions. Simplify each expression by distributing and combining like terms. Okay? Write in your notebook, then you will explain, all right? Do question 11. For each question, you have 90 seconds, okay? Try to be a bit faster.
Okay.
If you want, I can show one example. Do you want to, or you know how to do that? Remove the parentheses and simplify. You know, we did these questions here, like this.
Yeah.
22, 21, 23, 24. Come on, Sultana, faster. Let's try to finish all these questions.
Okay. W. So the answer is just gonna be 0?
What is the answer? 11.
0?
0?
Yeah.
How?
Because I did negative 7 and then times minus then 4
Of
and I
course,
got
negative 7 times W, negative 7W, right?
yeah
Negative 7 times negative 4, what is it?
24 W.
28.
Oh
7 times 4 is 28,
mm,
right?
yeah.
What is 5 times 6?
uh 30.
7 times 8?
um 56.
56. 9 times 8?
72.
Okay, what is 7 times 4? 28, right?
Yeah.
Okay, plus here we have 3W minus 27. We have nothing here. And now we need to simplify like terms, right, Sultana? Look, negative 7W plus 3W. What is it? What is negative 7 plus 3?
10.
Negative 4. What is negative 7 plus 3?
4.
Hmm? It's negative 4, right?
Yeah,
And now
negative
what is 28 minus 27?
28 minus 4.
Just 1.
Just 1 year.
Because these are not like terms, we cannot simplify anymore. It's like W and just number, they are unlike terms, right? Let's
Yeah.
try 12, Sultana, come on. Maybe day by day you get better again. I think you forget a lot of things because of the holiday. Anyway, 12. 90 seconds. Okay, Sultana, try to be a bit faster. What you have to do is remove the parentheses and simplify or combine the like terms.
Mm, mm,
Come on.
mm. 6x and then
What is your final answer?
um,
Hello?
yeah.
What is your answer? Say something, Sultana. What are you doing? Did you open the parentheses?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, how did you do that?
I did 6
6x.
6x plus 1. I
Why
mean
1?
plus
Why
6.
1? Can't you see 6? Why 1?
6. And then negative
Sultana,
negative
come on, don't make me. What's wrong with you?
and then negative 5x
Uh-huh.
and then negative 2 and then
Why 2, Sultana? What's wrong with you? Negative 5 times 2
negative
is negative 10.
negative 10, yeah.
As if you have never learned math before. You're behaving like this. If you don't want to learn, just tell me we can stop the class. As if you are doing on purpose. How many questions we did? But still, you don't understand the negative 5 multiplied by each number isn't really hard.
Mm,
Hello?
no.
So, are you tired or you're not feeling well? What's wrong with you, Sultana? Because you were doing well last time. You could solve equations. You did questions very correctly. But now you are actually doing something like you have never done this before. Did you forget everything completely?
I mean, not really.
Yeah, because writing Sultana like 5 times a 5x plus 2 is very big mistake, you know. It's not like something acceptable. That means that you had never done this before. But after practicing like 4, 5, 6 hours, still you're making this mistake. I mean, I'm really disappointed, you know. Anyway, now here we have 6x minus 5x. That's just x. And 6 minus 10 is negative 4. That's it. You know, just 2 steps. Open parentheses and combine like terms. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now do question 13, Sultana. A bit faster, okay? Right for writing 30 seconds, doing the question 1 minute. To question 13. Distribute Sultana the number outside the parentheses. You should multiply by each term inside the parentheses. Then after that, combine the like terms.
Mm,
Finished?
So, yeah,
What is your answer?
K equals
Hmm?
K equals,
What do you mean K equals? Sultana, it's an expression. We are simplifying. We are not solving equation.
oh, I mean X equals
X? We don't have X here. The question 13. Did you do question 13?
yeah.
So we have the simplified, right? It's not an equation. What is your final answer? The simplified form of this expression.
Okay, so I first did negative 5K plus
Okay.
plus negative 30
Minus, just say minus, don't say plus. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Okay.
minus 30 and then plus 7K minus 28
Then
and then negative 5K plus 7K
what?
and then I did negative 5K plus 7K
Okay. What is it?
2K
Okay.
and then I did negative 30 plus negative 28
Minus 28, right? Negative 30 minus 28, right?
yeah
Those are negative numbers. So what is it?
uh
Minus 58.
minus 58.
That's it. What else? And that's why I told you first read it. What does it mean? You should know what we are doing here. Here, what did you read here? Can you read again?
To simplify an expression means to ensure there are no parentheses and no like terms.
That's
In
it.
order
That's it.
to,
No, you don't have to continue. To simplify an expression means to ensure that there are no parentheses and no like terms. And this question is saying that simplify, right? That means that open parentheses and simplify. That's it. That means combine like terms.
so the answer can never have parentheses.
So if you have parentheses, that means that you didn't simplify it.
Oh, okay.
It may be equal, but you didn't simplify. Simplify means that you need to open all parentheses and combine like terms.
Okay.
Do question 14. You have 2 minutes, Sultan. It's taking too long. Just open parentheses, simplify. That's it. Two steps.
Yeah. So it's equal. So first, I did X
First, Sultan, can you tell me your final answer? Then let's discuss, okay?
56.
56.
Yeah.
So all x are gone.
I mean 56 X.
56x.
I mean, x equals 56.
Why x? Is it an equation? Huh?
No,
So how come x equals 56 or something?
I just I just said 8x minus 40, negative 40, and then I did minus 4x
The
minus
Sultana, can't you see this question 11, 12, 13? How we solve these questions? How we simplify this?
by opening the parentheses.
Okay, but why are we saying x equals something? We are simplifying, right?
Yeah,
So when you simplify this, what did you get?
56. I mean,
Look, the first you open parenthesis, 8 times x is 8x, right?
8x minus
Plus
40.
y minus.
I mean, plus
8 times 5 is 40.
40,
I'm
and
done with this part. Second
then
one. Negative 4
minus
times x is negative
4x,
4x. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16, right?
negative 16,
Equals, now like terms, 8x and 4x, they're like terms. 8x minus 4x is 4x. And
4x.
40 minus 16 is 24. That's it. So we open parentheses and we combine like terms. That's it. What we had just read here, simplifying means that opening parentheses and combining like terms. You should understand the question. Simplify means that you should open parentheses and combine like terms. That's it.
I
It's
didn't
not an equation.
follow like parts correct for the simplifying part, but I keep getting confused with the negative and the minus.
Okay, we will practice next time. We'll work on integers again. Okay, because if you do like this, I will reteach, no problem. But you just, I will let your father know. Yesterday, I was shocked because he asked a simple question he couldn't answer. I was wondering how you're doing really well in the class, but now I feel that maybe you forget things really fast. You understand, you can do well, but after a few days, you forget everything, right? You know what's the reason?
Mm.
Because you don't study yourself in the notebook. If only in the class time you cannot learn, Sultan. If you want to learn, you need to do the questions in a notebook, write it down. Then you can learn. You don't forget easily. Because we are humans, if you do not write, we forget. Just watch something, you can forget. Listen something, you may forget. But if you write it down and solve these questions in your notebook, when you have a look, it reminds you a lot of things. Oh, I did like this. Oh, I did like this, right? So you don't forget these things easily when you take a note. Okay, let's continue. Do question 15 now. Now you have better idea. Let's see. Now I'll give you only 90 seconds, Sultana. Write a bit faster. All right, try. I know it's hard for you, but try step by step, okay? Try to do a bit faster. You have 90 seconds. 15. Yes, Sultana. First, did you open the parenthesis, Sultana?
Yeah.
Can you tell me that line, the second line? What is it?
Negative 9m
Uh-huh.
plus negative 18.
Don't say like that. Yeah. Don't say plus negative 18. I know it is right, but just what is negative 9 times 2? Is it negative 18?
Yeah.
So just say negative 18 or minus 18.
Okay. Negative 18. And then plus 24. And then 28m.
Minus 28m. Okay.
Mhm.
And now we combine like terms. Second step is combining like terms.
Yeah. Negative 9m minus 28m equals 19m.
What?
Uh,
Both are negative, right, Sultana? If both are negative, we combine them, they become more negative. That is 37m.
oh,
Why do you keep confusing? Next time we will work on integers again, okay? One more time. You actually did correctly, but now again, I don't know
well,
how can I
I
teach you.
understand what to do. It's just that I keep getting confused with the minus and the negative.
But that's why I'm saying that look, if both numbers are negative, now suppose you're spending money. You spend $9 and after that you spend $28. In total, how much did you spend?
30.
Because minus means the spending, right?
Yeah.
So $9 you spend because minus and minus $28. So finally that means you spent $37, right?
Yeah.
So if I ask you this question like that, how would you answer? Sultana, today you spend $9. And after 2 hours, you spend 28 more dollars. So if I ask you this question, how much did you spend in total? How would you answer this question?
Negative $37.
Yeah, the same thing, right? I'm saying that minus, you should understand like, spending. Minus 9, minus 28. That means you spend $9 and 28 more dollars. That's why this 37. This is your expense. That's why I put minus here.
Okay.
And now here we have $28 minus spending, $24 receiving, right?
Yeah.
So that means you have $24 and you spend $18. How much do you have? $6, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Now, actually, at least you did something correctly here. Okay. Now you do a bit faster. Do 16. Let's do 16 and finish the class. Okay. The last question. Yes, Sultana. Tell me the first line, Sultana.
So I first did 27V
Okay, very good. 27V.
negative 7.
What?
I mean,
Negative 3 times negative 4
this 7.
is positive 12. What is 3 times 4? 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And minus 2 times V is negative 2V, right?
Negative 2V. Yeah.
What is negative 2 times negative 2?
4.
Positive 4. Okay. This positive 4. That's why, always you should read together this time. Positive 4, negative, negative equals. Now, what is 27V minus 2V?
Um, 25V.
25V. And 12 plus 4?
Uh, 17. I mean, 8.
16, right?
Yeah, 16. 16, yes.
Sultana, you should actually solve the questions in a notebook, take a picture and send it to me. Otherwise, the reason why you forget everything, no, I mean the homework. I'm going to send you homework. Otherwise, you forget so quickly. What is the solution not to forget quickly? You need to write in a notebook. Okay. And at least this time, you have idea. Maybe you forget much better. This time you'll be stronger. I'm sure about this because, after all, practice makes perfect. Practice, 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 and you get better. Okay. Anyway, but maybe the first time you are practicing such things, it's normal to confuse expression and equation. These are two different things. Equation has equal sign, so you're finding the x. But expression, we simplify expression. Okay. Sultana, enjoy your holiday from starting tomorrow. You are back to school, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna work a lot, and I hope at the time we can learn much better because sometimes we are in the mood of holiday. So it's normal. Sultana, have a good day. See you next Thursday. Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.